Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is David Valenzuela. I will be teaching you how to format a hard drive. Now just pay close attention and I will begin right now. Okay, the first thing I'd like for you guys to do is just on your left hand side, bottom side, on the File Explorer, I need you to click on it one time using your mouse. And the next thing that you're going to do, say for example I plugged in a using a converter, USB to SATA, and what I did, I just what we're going to do, you're going to select the volume, and what you're going to do, you're going to select format from here. You're going to click on it one time. So here, as you can tell guys, the capacities, the hard drive, it's a 2.5 500 gigabytes. It's for a SATA laptop hard drive. So the capacity is 465. The NTFS, you have an option of either selecting the file system extFAT or NTFS. Allocation size, that's fine. If you want to rename the volume, we're just going to call it, for example, 2020. And all we do, format options, we click format. We click OK. Formatting will erase all data on the disk. Do you want to format? Click OK. And this will take a couple of seconds, so format is complete. That's one way of doing it. The other step that I'm going to show you, ladies and gentlemen, is going to this PC, clicking on Manage, and then from here you're going to open this. You're going to go on the left hand side of the menu, Disk Management, and here I will right click on it. I'm going to delete the volume, yes, because I'm going to reformat it again. So I'm going to right click, New Simple Volume. I'm going to click Next, and I will assign a volume letter, whichever letter I like with E drive. Format this volume using NTFS, perform a quick format, click Next, Finish. Once it formats, it'll open up, and then I can minimize this. I can check that the hard drive, right click on the E drive, click Properties, and you can tell right here guys that this is your formatted hard drive. Thanks for watching. Subscribe guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support.